Hey, hello everyone, this is DAD, the Nabajida.com star, and I'm the founder of Crypto Team Connect, and in today's video, I'll be introducing you guys to Tornado Rising Masternode Poll, okay? Alright, so Tornado Rising have come out with an awesome, in other words, my income opportunity, that's the TR-M, and I'll be talking a little bit of that on how to earn from this TR-M program, okay? So for those that are new to this, especially to masternodes, there is a little bit of information below it when you log into your account by clicking in the link in the description box. Okay, I'll be placing all the links in the description box. So by clicking on the link, it will direct you to the home page and you can get access to all this information. So you can see on the platform, on the home page, there is a video attached to it, and the video actually talks a little bit about how the Tornado Rising Masternode is and how it works. Okay, so have the time, watch this video to gain a little bit of knowledge on how this is going to be. Okay, and below the video there is more information in words which I think is advisable you create time to read all this so that you understand what is going on with Tornado Rising and with the TR-M, how to begin with this innovative program. Okay, so let's continue on by logging into our account first. Okay, alright, so I already have an account with Tornado Rising, and as well I signed up again in the TR-M. So if you are a member on the Tornado Rising platform, you have to, if you are a member and you're a pro member, you need, in order for you to qualify for the TR-M, you have to be a qualified member in the Tornado Rising straight line metrics. Okay, and that is you purchasing your position to become a pro member. So after purchasing your position in Tornado Rising, which is on here, okay, this is the Tornado Rising platform. In other words, Tornado Rising is an advertising and marketing system that also put money into your pocket. Okay, so aside this company being an advertising and marketing system, they also have other business programs to help their community, the people in the community, to also earn an extra income to their pockets. So this is the actual website of the Tornado Rising advertising business program, as well as with a straight line metrics attached to the system, which is awesome. Okay, so I did a video on how to go about this, and I'll be attaching the link as well in this video in the description box, so you can click on that video to have an awesome presentation with me. And let's continue with the Tornado Rising Masternode. I don't want to waste my time on this, so let's continue. So after you becoming a pro member on here, okay, you sign up, you click on the members menu, you click on join us, and you sign up. I'll put all the links in the description box, so you'll find all the links on there to begin with shares on Tornado Rising. Okay, so after signing up, you log into your account, and after logging into your account, you follow the instructions on how to make deposits and how to activate, like purchase your position in Tornado Rising. I'll be putting all the links in the description box, as well as our WhatsApp group platform. Okay, you can join our WhatsApp group platform, and I'll be there, as well as other admins, administrators will be there to assist you in any problems, okay, in how to register, how to fund in or deposit your money in your back office, and how to purchase your position to become a pro member. Alright guys, so here we are on my back office on the Tornado Rising platform, and this is how it is. So if you're about to purchase a position, you click on the members menu and you click on deposit funds, and just follow the instructions on there, okay, to make a successful payment. And after making your payment of 35, it only costs a day more, $35 to begin your journey with us in Tornado Rising. After making payment, the payment will reflect on your dashboard, and it will be shown on wallet balance. Okay, so after your payment has reflected on the dashboard, we come all the way back to the members menu. Then you click on purchase level 1. When you click on purchase level 1, it will automatically purchase your position in Tornado Rising. And after your account, or after you have purchased your position, it will be shown on here at the membership level as level 1. It will be shown on here as level 1. So when it's shown on there, that indicates that you were able to successfully purchase your position into Nano Rising. So that makes you what? A pro member. So after purchasing your position, you then click on the other link in the description box, which says TR-MASTERNODES.com. So when you click on that, it will bring you back to this homepage. It will bring you to this homepage, okay? And when you come on this homepage, what you have to do is to sign up. And when you click on sign up, you have to fill in the same information, the same details you used to sign up for the Tornado Rising account. You use that same details to sign up on here, okay? So you click on your username, you type in your username, you type in your email address, and you type in the password, okay? So after typing your username, email address, password, you confirm the password, you click on agree to all terms, and you click sign up. After signing up, you'll receive a notification in your email or Gmail account. So you go back to your Gmail or email, then you click on that account to sign in to your into Tornado Rising Masternodes. So after that, you click on sign in, then you log in into Tornado Rising Masternode with your credentials. Okay, so I already have an account with Tornado Rising Masternode, so you can see I have my email placed on here, and automatically my password is also placed on there. So what I have to do next is to click login to get into the back office. Alright, okay, so here we are on the back office, and this is how it's going to look like, okay, at your back office. So at your back office, we have one here, your dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and the dashboard, it shows 2 coins being part of the Masternode project. So they have Gold Poker, which is also part of the Masternode project, and Sky Hub. So I have 0 balance in my Gold Poker coin or Gold Poker Masternode, and as well as I have 0 balance in the Sky Hub or Masternode. So to begin with this, I have to deposit funds in order to benefit from this project. And with that, without much delay, I want to take you guys through a short series of information on here on the dashboard. Then we continue with this, okay? So before I can benefit from this program, I have to buy Gold Poker coin. If I want to go in for the Gold Poker coin or the Sky Hub, I have to buy Sky Hub coins from Coin Exchange. Alright, I'll be placing all the link in the description box, so please don't get it confused. Alright, don't worry about anything. All the links to all these places will be placed in the description box. So I want to take you guys through a series of information on this dashboard at the TR-MASTERNODE. So here is your dashboard. It welcomes you, and it will display the time date when you log in. Alright, so activity, when you click on activity, below it we have sub menus under it, and that is withdrawals and deposits. Okay, so all your withdrawals and deposit of fund, all those history or records will be displayed on this page. Alright, on this page it shows nothing, no data available in the table. And the same thing applies to Masternodes. When I click on the second sub menu, Masternode, and it also displays no data available, and that is it. So for me to begin with all these, if I want to go in for Sky Hub Masternode, I first have to make deposits. Okay, and for me to make deposits, I don't have to make deposits in Bitcoins, because there's a different coin on its own. This is not Bitcoins, alright, this Sky Hub coins. So for me to be able to make deposits in Sky Hub, I first have to purchase Sky Hub coins from an exchange platform. Alright, and I'll be doing that from Coin Exchange. So the link is in the description box. Again, I keep on saying this just to get your attention that all the information or all the guides that I'm sharing with you on here, all the links to there is in the description box, so you do not have to worry about anything. Alright, so for me to make deposit in SkyHub or Gold Poker, to go in for Gold Poker coin, SkyHub coin, I first have to what? Exchange my Bitcoins on an exchange platform for SkyHub coins in order for me to what? Make deposit in SkyHub or in Gold Poker coin. Alright, so this is the site. This when you click on deposit, this is where you get to do all those steps, and I'll be coming back on here. Okay, I just want to take you guys through on how the dashboard works and all these kind of sub menus and menus on the left side of the website, so you will get to know what is going on, like to get familiar with the platform before we begin on with the real deal and how to purchase coin and deposit funds. Okay, alright, so when I click on withdrawal, this is how it's going to be like. Okay, this is how it will display on the dashboard, on the page, that if you want to withdraw, if you have coins in your Gold Poker, it will show on here the number of coins and you'll be able to follow the instructions given to you. So as I have no coins in the Gold Poker, it's telling me that I have no GPKR, that is Gold Poker. And the same thing applies to the SkyHub, that I have no SkyHub coins. So that is it with it to proceed on in making withdrawals. Okay, alright, so the same thing applies when you're making a withdrawal from your Masternode account. You first have to withdraw into an exchange platform, then you convert your you convert your currency, that's SkyHub or the Gold Poker coin, into Bitcoin. Don't worry, don't get confused. I'll be showing you guys on how to do all this. Okay, if I'm not able to show you on how to do that in this video, probably in my next videos you'll be able to get that information. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if possible share your comments, and I'll be there to answer you with any information or help or anything concerned to your comment. Alright, okay, so that is it with the withdrawal section. And when we click on Masternode, you also have another sub menu below it, and we have on here available Masternodes. So on there at the available Masternodes, will display a whole lot of coins, and there is more coins coming up shortly in the future. Tornado Rising or TR-MASTERNODES will be coming up with more Masternode projects or coins that will be coming up in the nearest future. So for now, they have Gold Poker and SkyHub. Alright, for now they have Gold Poker and SkyHub, and very soon there will be more coins displayed onto this platform, and that is it. Okay, so here it shows the available masternodes in the system, and any of the masternode that you prefer, that you want to go in for, you click on there and you make your deposits. So here it shows the masternode, the number of masternodes. So the first is Gold Poker, the second is SHB, that is SkyHub, and the required coins is in order for you to earn a full masternode for Gold Poker coin, the required coins is 33,330. Okay, so the moment you got your hands on to this number of coins in your account, then that qualifies you to own a full master node. Alright, and the same thing applies to the SkyHub. Well, the moment you get hold onto 2,500 SkyHub, that qualifies you to earn a full master node. And this place shows the available slots, and here it says 1,108 by 1,111. Alright, and that is for the Gold Poker, and the available slots for the SkyHub is 95 by 100, so there is more to go. Okay, and point slots, here it shows 30 and below it shows 25. So that is the number of masternodes available now on the market. So on the Gold Poker coin, there is 30 masternode available, and on the SkyHub coin there is 25 available masternodes. And here it will display your slots, that is the number of masternode you have. So if you are able to get up, let's say 2 masternode for the Gold Poker coin, it will display on here as 2 masternode for that, on here as the slot 2. And if you have another masternodes in SkyHub, it will display the number of masternode you have in SkyHub as well below on here. So that is it, guys. And participate here, it shows active, so meaning I qualify, and when you click on that, that gets you in what, being part of the Masternode project, and you start, you begin to earn. Okay, so there it is, guys. And let's continue to the Masternode participation. So if I participated, let's say if I went in for the SkyHub Masternode, this is where it will display. This place is where it will show the masternodes I went in for. It will show all of them on here. So if I went in for SkyHub and any other masternodes which will be added onto the platform in the nearest future, any of those masternodes that I goes in for, all of it will be shown at the participation masternodes section. Okay, so for now I have no masternodes in the operating for me at the moment, so it shows no data available in the table. Okay, all right, and let's continue to affiliates. So on here, the affiliates will display the number of referrals on your list, and as well as your affiliate link to promote your business or to promote your link. Okay, so you can see on here, that's the referral link. That is my referral link, and when you click on this copy link to board, it copies your link, and you can share on any other platform, social media platforms, or through emailing, any medium ways you take to promote your link. You just click on that and you paste it to promote the business. And here shows the referrals, the number of referrals, and their username. Here it shows the time they registered or the time they sign up onto the project, and it shows their username on here and the levels that they're onto. So TR-Masternode pays up to the 4th level. Okay, TR-Masternode pays up to the 4th level, and that is the referral commissions. I'm talking about the referral commissions. It pays up to the 4th level. And this person on here, which is Richie 14, is on my 1st level, and it goes on to Legacy. He's on my 2nd level, and there is one person on the 3rd level, which is Summer 92. And let's click on next to go to the next page, and we have Danny G8, and he is on the 4th level. Okay, so that is it. And we have others too that are on my 1st level. We have one on here, first level, and people that are on the 2nd level also shown on the referral section, as in the affiliate parts, the affiliate section in your referral list. Okay, all right. So there it is, guys. Let's continue to support. When you click on support is where you will be able to file some complaints, or if you need any help or support, you click on there and you'll be able to contact the support. But for now, it's under construction, and hopefully in the future it will be part of the on the project, or will start be in an effect for people to start communicating with the support if they need any help or they find any challenges in any ways. Okay, all right. And we already know what is logout. That is when you sign out or you exit out from your account, and that is it. No one can get access into your back office unless they have your password and your username or your Gmail to log in. Alright, so there it is. There you have it, guys. Let's go back to the dashboard, and let me continue with how to fund in your account, or how to fund in your Masternode back office accounts by choosing going in for any of the Masternode projects, whether you want to go in for Gold Poker or you want to go in for SkyHub. Any of these coins that you go in for, you have to buy those coins from an exchange platform. Then you make the deposit in your TR-M account. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I want to continue with this video in my next series. This episode 1, getting started, or the fast start track to begin with Tornado Rising Masternode. So this is episode 1. So hopefully get to look on for the episode 2, which will be coming on shortly. I'll be doing that, and I'll attach that link as well in the description box, so you'll be able to get the link in order to fund in your back office in TRM to begin with your investment. Alright, so thank you guys for having this time with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. And in my next video we'll be talking about how to deposit funds in your TRM back office to begin with your investment. So thank you guys, enjoy your day, peace out.